by Roja. If you are the first viewer of our channel, then please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get latest notifications in your mobile. Okay. Today's topic is associative property, 8th class topic. So in the last video, 8th class video, so we already discussed about commutative property and closure property. In your maths textbook, 8th class first chapter is rational numbers. So we discussed properties of rational numbers. So how many properties are there? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive inverse, additive multiplicative inverse, additive identity, multiplicative identity and distributive property. In the last class we already discussed closure property and commutative property. Is it clear? So today's topic is associative property. So in commutative property and closure property we have to take any two rational numbers, but in associative property we have to take any three rational numbers. For example, A, B and C. Is it clear? And the statement is, for example, associative property under addition. The statement is, if A, B, C are any three rational numbers, then A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. Is it clear? So this is the statement associative property under addition. If A, B, C are any three rational numbers, then A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. So here this is called LHS part and this is called RHS part. So LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Is it clear? Here if LHS equals to RHS, then associative property satisfy this condition under addition. Is it clear? So under addition. So what are the binary operation here? Addition. Okay. All these properties we have to check in all four binary operations. What are the four binary operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Is it clear? Here if LHS equals to RHS, then associative property satisfy this statement under addition. Is it clear? So next binary operation is subtraction. So if A, B, C are any three rational numbers, then A minus B minus C equals to A minus B minus C. Is it clear? So this is the statement under subtraction. Here also same condition. LHS, if LHS equals to RHS, then associative property satisfy this condition under subtraction. If LHS not equal to RHS, then associative property does not satisfy this condition under subtraction. Is it clear? And next binary operation is multiplication. So A into A, B, C are any three rational numbers, then A into B into C equals to A into B into C. Okay, is it clear? Here also same thing. If LHS equals to RHS, then associative property satisfy this condition under multiplication. Okay, and next A division. Next binary operation is division. If A, B, C are any three rational number, then A divided by B divided by C equals to A by B by C. Okay, is it clear? So we have to check all these four conditions. So under addition, under subtraction, under multiplication and under division. If in these four situations, if LHS equals to RHS, then associative property is satisfied. If LHS not equal to RHS, if associative property does not satisfy. Is it clear? Shall I start? Okay. Associative property under addition. So first let us take any three rational numbers. So first write what is meant by statement. So A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. So okay, if this statement here LHS equals to RHS, then it's satisfied. Oh, first let us check. So let us first, before that, let us take any three rational numbers. All of you open your textbooks, page number 10. So 8th class textbook, page number 10. సో మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ లో ఏ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో ఆ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, సో హియర్ 2 by 7. Okay, A equals to 2 by 7 and B equals to 5 and C equals to 1 by 2. So these numbers in your textbook numbers only. So first let us check these three are rational numbers or not. Okay. 2 by 7, it is a rational number. Why? Because it is in the form of P by Q and Q not equal to 0. P and Q are integers. And here 1 by 2 also a rational number. So it is in the form of P by Q and Q not equal to 0. P and Q are integers. So then what about 5? Is 5 rational number? Very good. 5 also a rational number. Why? Because write like this. 5 by 1 now. So here P and Q are integers and it is in the form of P by Q and Q not equal to 0. So these three are rational numbers. So first let us check LHS part. So what is the LHS part? A plus B plus C. So let us take LHS A plus B plus C. Okay. Just substitute all these values in this equation. So what's the value of A? 2 by 7 plus what's the value of B? 5 plus what's the value of C? 1 by 2. Is it clear? Okay, see 2 by 7 plus here 5 means 5 by 1. Now what's the LCM of 1 and 2? Very good, 2. So 1 table into 2 times. That means 1 2s are 2 into numerator plus 2 table into 1 time. That means 2 1s are 2 into numerator. Is it clear? So 2 by 7 plus 2 5s are 10 plus 1 1s are 1 by 2. Okay. So equals to 2 by 7 plus 10 plus 1 11 by 2. Okay. Again, what's the LCM of 7 and 2? Very good. 14. So 7 table in 14 how many times? 2 times. 7 2s are 14 into numerator plus 2 table in 14 7 times. So that means 2 7s are 14 into numerator 11. Is it clear? Did you understand this step? Okay. 2 2s are 4 plus 7 11s are 77 by 14. So 4 plus 77 is nothing but 81 by 14. Okay. So here what is the value of LHS? 81 by 14. So let us check RHS value also. If we get RHS also 81 by 14, then it is LHS equal to RHS. Associative property satisfy under addition. Associative property satisfy on rational numbers under addition. Okay, let us check. So first write LHS value. So A plus B plus C equals to 81 by 14. Okay. And next take RHS. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Okay. What is the value of A? 2 by 7 plus B value 5. A plus B plus C. 1 by 2. Okay. Here. What is the LCM of for 7 and 1? 7. So 7 table in 7 1 time. That means 7 1s are 7 into numerator. Plus 1 table in 7 7 times. So 1 7s are 7 into numerator. Plus 1 by 2. Okay. 1 2s are 2 plus 7 5s are 35 by 7. Plus 1 by 2. Okay. And next. 35 plus 2. 37 by 7 plus 1 by 2. Okay, here. What's the LCM of 7 and 2? Very good. 14. Okay, here 7 table in 14. How many times? Very good. 2 times. That means 7 2s are 14. And into numerator. That is 37. Plus 2 table in 14. How many times? 7 times. That means 2 7s are 14. into numerator 1. Okay, 2 into 37, 2 sevens are 14, 2 threes are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, 2 into 37, that is 74, plus 7 ones are 7 by 14. Okay, is it clear? Did you understand this step? So 74 plus 7, 81 by 14. Okay, what's the value of RHS? 81 by 14. So here LHS equals to RHS. Okay, is it clear? So LHS value is 81 by 14 and RHS value also 81 by 14. So associative property satisfy rational numbers on under addition. Is it clear? Before going to the next one, so let us express this in the form of mathematical terms. So that is, for all A comma B comma C belongs to Q, A, B, C rational numbers aithe such that A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. Okay, is it clear? And shall I move to the next one? And second one is associative property under subtraction. So let us take any three rational numbers. So in your textbook, three numbers. So first write statement. A minus B minus C equals to A minus B minus C. Okay. So let us take three rational numbers. In your textbook, three rational numbers are A equals to 1 by 2 and B equals to 3 by 4 and C equals to minus 5 by 4. Okay, is it clear? So let us substitute these values in this equation. Okay, so first LHS part. What is the LHS part? A minus B minus C. So let us take A minus of B minus C. Okay, so substitute A value 1 by 2 minus B value 3 by 4 minus C value minus 5 by 4. Is it clear? A minus B minus sorry. So A value 1 by 2 minus B value 3 by 4 minus C value by minus 4. Is it clear? A minus B minus C. Okay. So first let us do this. A minus B 3 by 4 minus, here minus into minus, very good, plus 5 by 4. Okay, here minus into minus plus. Did you remember? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, plus into plus, plus. Okay, did you remember these conditions? Okay. So 1 by 2 minus, what is the LCM? 4. So 4 table in 4, 1 time, 4 ones are 4 and numerator plus 4 table in 4, 1 time, 4 ones are 4 and numerator 5. Okay, is it clear? So 1 by 2 minus 1 3s are 3 plus 1 5s are 5 by 4. So let us write 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 5, 8. 8 by 4. So again take LCM. 4, 2 and 4. LCM is 4. So 2 table in 4 2 times. 2 2s are 4 into numerator 1 minus 4 table in 4 1 time. That means 4 ones are 4 into numerator 8. 2 ones are 2 minus 1 8s are 8 by 4. So what is the value of 8 minus 2? Very good. 6 minus 6. Here not 8 minus 2. 2 minus 8. So minus another big number mundundi. Okay. So by 4. So what is the value of LHS? Minus 6 by 4. That means, so cancel cheyandi. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. That means minus 3 by 2. Okay. Is it clear? So LHS value is minus 3 by 2. So let us check RHS value. So first write LHS value minus 3 by 2. So RHS. A minus B minus C. A minus B minus C. So A value 1 by 2 minus B value 3 by 4. A minus B minus C. Okay, A minus B minus C. So what's the LCM? Very good. 4. 2 table in 4 2 times. 2 2s are 4 into numerator 1 minus 4 table in 4 1 time. 4 1s are 4 into numerator 3 minus 5 by 4. Okay. So 2 1s are 2 minus 3 1s are 3. So 1 3s are 3 by 4. Here minus into minus plus minus into minus plus 5 by 4. Okay, is it clear? And next 2 minus 3. What's the value? Minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 1. But here big number. The big number mundu minus symbol undi. So minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Okay. So minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4. What is the LCM? Very good. 4. So here 4 table in 4 1 time and numerator is minus 1 plus again 4 table in 4 1 time numerator is 5. Is it clear? 1 1s are 1 minus plus 1 5s are 5 by 4. So answer 5 minus 1. So just write reverse. Is it clear? Any doubt? Okay, 5 minus 1 by 4. So that means 4 by 4 that equals to 1. So 4 4 lo 1 time. So 4 by 4 that equals to 1. So what is the value of RHS? 1. Is minus 3 by 2 equals to 1? No. So LHS not equal to RHS. Is it clear? So from this, associative property does not satisfy rational numbers under subtraction. Okay, is it clear? Shall I move to the next one? And next binary operation is very good, multiplication. Third binary operation is multiplication. Associative property under multiplication. First, just write equation A into B into C equals to A into B into C. Okay, first let us take LHS part. Okay, before that, take 3 rational numbers. In your textbook, page number 11, so 3 rational numbers are A equals to 2 by 3 and B equals to 4 by 7 and C equals to minus 5 by 7. Okay, is it clear? So first let us take LHS part, A into B into C. So A into B into C. Let us substitute the values. A value 2 by 3 into B value 4 by 7 into C value minus 5 by 7. Okay. So 2 by 3 into, so 4 5s are 20. Here multiplication. So 4 5 just multiply. 4 5s are 20 and minus by 7 7s are 49. Okay. So 2 into 20. Here multiplication symbol. 2 into 20. 2 zeros are 0. 2 2s are 4. So minus symbol. By next 3 into 49. 3 9s are 27. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. So 40 by minus 40 by 147. LHS part. Okay, let us check RHS. So what is RHS? A into B into C. Okay, so A value 2 by 3 into B value 4 by 7 into C value minus 5 by 7. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 3 7s are 21 into minus 5 by 7. So minus 5 by 7. Okay. Again 8 5s are 40 minus by 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 40. Okay, is it clear? RHS value. So RHS equals to minus 40 by 147. Here LHS minus 40 by 147 and RHS also minus 40 by 147. So LHS equals to RHS. So associative property satisfy rational numbers under multiplication. Is it clear? Did you understand? Shall I move to the next binary operation and last one, division. Okay, before going to division, first let us write multiplication here. In multiplication, LHS equal to RHS. So associative property satisfy rational numbers on under multiplication. So that is for all A comma B comma C belongs to Q such that A into B into A into B into C equals to A into B into C. Okay, is it clear? So next one is next to last binary operation is under division. So first write the condition. So A by B by C equals to A by B by C. Okay, so let us take any three rational numbers. So in your textbook, page number 12. In your textbook, page number 12. So A equals to 2 by 3 and B equals to 3 by 4 and C equals to 1 by 7. Is it clear? So first let us take LHS part. So A by B by C. So let us substitute the values. A value 2 by 3 and by B by C. So B value 3 by 4 and C value 1 by 7. Okay, so let us solve. 2 by 3 divided by. So what is this meaning? 3 by 4 whole divided by 1 by 7. Okay, is it clear? 2 by 3 divided by. If we transfer these denominator into numerator, it's just reciprocal. That means 3 by 4 into, just we change division into multiplication. In that time, the denominator become reciprocal. That means just reverse. Here denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. Okay. So 2 by 3 divided by 3 sevens are very good 21 by 4 ones are 4. Okay. So what is this meaning? Same 2 by 3 by 21 by 4. Okay, is it clear? So here also same thing. Here just convert division into multiplication. That means the denominator will become reciprocal. So 2 by 3 into 21 by 4. So just reverse. So that means 4 by 21. Okay. So 2 4s are 8 by 3 into 21. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. So 8 by 63. What is the LHS value? 8 by 63. So let us check RHS value. So LHS value is 8 by 63. So let us take RHS. A divided by B by C. Okay, A value 2 by 3 by B value 3 by 4. So by C, that means 1 by 7. So 2 by 3. What is this meaning? 2 by 3 by 3 by 4. Okay, did you understand? Okay, wait. 2 by 3 whole divided by 3 by 4. 1 by 7. Okay, is it clear? So just to transfer these division into multiplication. So that means the division part, so the denominator just reverse. That means 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. So 3 by 4, just reverse. 4 by 3. Is it clear? 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 reverse. That means 4 by 3. Divided by 1 by 7. So 2 fours are very good. 8 by 3 threes are very good. 9 divided by 1 by 7. Okay. So again, what is this meaning? So just write 8 by 9 whole divided by 1 by 7. Is it clear? Okay. So just write. Convert these into multiplication. That means 8 by 9 into reciprocal of 1 by 7 is 7 by 1. Okay. So 8 sevens are 56. 9 ones are 9. So what's the value of RHS? 56 by 9. 56 by 9. Okay. So LHS value is 8 by 63. RHS value is 56 by 9. Is both are equal? Very good. So LHS not equal to RHS. So from this, right here, LHS not equals to RHS. So from this, associative property does not satisfy rational numbers under division. Is it clear? Did you understand today's class? Okay. So from this, so associative property satisfy rational numbers under addition and multiplication. Okay. Is it clear? Associative property satisfies only addition and multiplication. Okay. Did you understand? If you have any doubt, just ask in the comment section. In the next video, definitely I'll explain and I'll clear your doubts. Okay. Just let us take these three numbers. So check under addition, under multiplication, under subtraction, multiplication and division if associative property satisfy or not. So this is the homework. So your practice, just because of your practice. Okay, ఒకసారి మీరు గాని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే సో మొత్తం అన్నిటికి ఎడిషన్, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్, డివిజన్ కి ఈ 3 రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకోండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో చెక్ చేయండి, ఓకేనా? సో if you are the first viewer of our channel, then please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get latest notifications in your mobiles, and definitely please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.